Greetings, Discovereteers. It is I, Captain Discovery Center from the Discovery Center Museum in Rockford, Illinois. And I have an interesting science conundrum on my hands. The Discovery Center Museum's very own education specialist, Jessica, and her daughter, Kaylee, have given me an interesting conundrum. They have challenged me to move the water from this glass all the way over to this glass. But there is a challenge. I'm not allowed to pick the glasses up. Oops. To an ordinary non-superhero, I'm sure this would be a very difficult task. But for a science superhero like myself, this is just another Saturday, or Tuesday, or Wednesday. I don't remember what day it is. I shall use my science superhero mind to transport the water from this glass into this glass, starting now. Mind looping overtime. I'm sure that the water is just sort of traveling molecule by molecule. This may take a while, but I'll continue to use my science powers. I give up. I think I'm going to have to make a call to Jessica and Kaylee and find out how this experiment really works.
Captain Discovery Center, I was wondering when you were going to call.
Greetings, Jessica. Greetings, Kaylee.
So did you figure out how to move the water from one glass to the other?
Without picking them up? Sadly, no. It was beyond the scope of even a science superhero like myself.
Would you like Kaylee and I to show you how it's done?
I would like that very much.
No problem, Captain Discovery Center.
Okay, so we have a couple glasses here, just like I challenged you. Kaylee, would you like to add some color to the one so we can see the water a little bit?
I am going to mix two colors.
Oh, you want two different colors so we can see it better?
Two.
Let's see, we got some blue and a little bit of, looks like pink. What color are you going to get there?
3, 4. Now let's make it mix. Can I have something to mix with, like a plastic spoon or something?
A spoon? Okay, I'll grab a spoon real quick.
It's turning purple.
Oh, so you mixed your blue and your pink and you got purple? Very nice. Now set the spoon to the side. Very pretty. Now.
It's purple, but in there it looks black.
Now, we have our water in one cup. We have to get it over to the other cup. We need one more thing to use. What do you have there?
It's a coffee filter. You have to make it into like this, and
Oh, we missed one step.
What?
We're making it nice and flat, but we want to make sure it can reach from this cup up and over into this cup. So I want to go and fold it so it looks more like a bridge.
Oh.
I like to crease it before I put it in.
Oh.
So I fold here and I fold here. Now do you see as soon as we touch it there, the color starts going up very, very quickly. Now, if we leave this sit for a while, Captain Discovery Center, it's going to keep going up and up and up. Now, this might take a little while, so you have to be patient. Oh, don't want to use up all of our food coloring, Kaylee. We want to use that for our next experiment.
I just want to use a little red.
Oh, a little bit of red. You're going to have very dark color.
I know. I want to see what it is.
Now, as this sits, the color goes up. Now, Kaylee, do you know why it does that? Something called capillary action. Have you ever heard of that before?
No, but you teach me before the video.
Now, when we do videos like this, I often teach you new things. Plants need water, right?
Uh-huh.
That's one of the things they do.
Sun.
And sun.
And dirt.
And dirt. Now, do you know how they drink up the water? No. They drink it from the dirt.
Oh.
What part of the plant is in the dirt?
Stem. Roots.
The roots. The roots are in the dirt. but they need to get the water from the roots all the way up to those leaves.
Spoon? I'm gonna see what color.
You want to check the color?
I'm gonna mix it first.
You can check it while we're talking.
Mm-hmm.
Now, to go and get that water to go all the way from the roots, all the way up to the
Ooh,
leaves,
it's like
the water goes through very small tubes. Oh, it's a very dark blue. Oh, that's starting to look a little purple in there. Mostly blue because you put in a lot of blue, but purple as well. But capillary action is when you have a very, 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 very skinny tube and the water sticks to the sides of the tube and it slowly gets pulled up, kind of like a straw.
I didn't put all the colors.
And the fibers of the coffee filter does that. Now normally I would use paper towels, but we're running a little low on paper towels. But I have lots of coffee filters. And can you see, Kaylee? The color is already starting to get all the way up to here. Now, Captain Discovery Center, I kind of thought you might take a little while. So we started this yesterday. And
Do you want to see how it looks? I'll go get it.
all right, here, Kaylee, you want to show our picture, our nice one over here?
Here we go.
We started this a little bit ago. What 3 colors did we start with, Kaylee?
Hey.
Oh, sorry. What colors did we start with?
Yeah. No. Go. No.
Yes.
Yellow,
And,
red, blue.
and those 3 colors were able to walk to 3 other colors and mix.
See?
Our coffee filters reach from one to another. And
See?
what 3 new colors did we make?
Green, purple, and
And?
orange.
So our 3, do you remember what we called those before?
Secondary.
Yep, our primary colors mixed together to make secondary colors.
Very cool. And a lot of fun. And I learned something too. You know, I bet there's a lot of activities just like this one that people can find at discoverycentermuseum.org.
There sure are, all on the Playful Learning at Home section.
Thanks, Jessica. Thanks, Kaylee.
Bye, Captain Discovery Center.
What a fun science activity. Thanks again, Jessica and Kaylee. If you have an idea for a science activity that you'd like us to try, send it to us using the hashtag DiscoveryCenterScience, and we'll see what we can do. Well, I hope you had fun this week, and I'll see you again soon. Whew, being a science superhero is very thirsty work.